welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the top stories. Group 7 meets Chief Minister Digambar Kamath, conveys message of NCP Chief Sharad Pawar, set 2 days deadline to settle all issues. Union Minister A.K. Antony assures expansion of Dabolim Airport soon, says Pakistan has not taken any step to dismantle terrorist camps. Ramdev Baba's decision to enter politics disturbs many. Most of the people say, Baba, not you. It's second time AG fails to be present in the court. JMFC dismisses defamation case against Iris Rodrigues. Dulair Stadium upgradation on track. Land transfer agreement between GFA and DSYA to be signed in a few days. And Indian Oil win team championship at All India Public Sector Badminton Tournament. And now the news in detail. Members of G7 group met Chief Minister Digambar Kamath on Wednesday. The meeting was held at CM's residence in Margao. Group refused to reveal outcome of the meeting. However, Vishwajit Rane said message of NCP Chief Sharad Pawar is conveyed to the CM. G7 has set 2 days deadline to sort out all issues.
Group 7 held a meeting with the Chief Minister on Wednesday morning at his Madgaon residence. The meeting lasted for around 15 minutes. G7 refused to reveal the agenda of this confidential meeting with the CM. However, Health Minister Vishwajit Rane said the messages have been sent to the high commands of Congress through the Chief Minister. He also said Chief Minister has been given a fixed time frame to decide.
Whatever is discussed cannot be disclosed because it is discussed confidentially with Chief Minister. Whatever we have discussed with Sri Sharad Pawar, what is the message to be conveyed has been conveyed to be implemented in a specific time frame.
The outburst by Churchill Alimah.
Whatever has to be discussed has been discussed with him. I don't think it is advisable when we discuss with the Chief Minister or convey Mr. Sharad Pawar's message to Honorable Chief Minister. Needs to be discussed with the media. Let both the High Command decide and evaluate the situation at appropriate time.
Mr. Rane, if election...
I don't want to say anything.
No. If election comes, G7 is ready for...
We are a part of the government.
You have anything to say on this?
The High Command to say Chief Minister. We have already discussed the matter with the Chief Minister. So we have passed the messages to the Chief Minister.
Basically, what has been discussed today?
That is confidential.
G7 member Miki Pacheco said high commands of NCP and Congress will take a decision.
Why we have to talk about the Muddam Pune?
We all happy. We all seven happy. Have you asked the Chief Minister to ask the PWD Minister to withdraw his comments, the statements made against...
Rather than you taking a statement from me, individual, we had given a bite, all seven together. That matter we cannot go publicly. We already discussed, given views, our leaders' views, and as and when I am ready, we'll discuss with us.
Yes.
Alemao brothers have taken a strong guard against NCP in the past few days. They had said that Congress doesn't need NCP's support to run the government. G7 has been demanding a public apology from Alemao brothers. Now it would be interesting to know what the high commands finally decide. It's sure that the political fate of the government depends upon the final outcome. A reporter from Madgaon, Ramesh Naik Raut.
Union Defence Minister A.K. Antony has said the expansion of Dabolim Airport will start soon as the Navy has handed over the land. Referring to the cross-border terrorism, Defence Minister claimed that Pakistan has not taken any step to dismantle terrorist camps on its soil.
Union Defence Minister A.K. Antony was in Goa on Wednesday to commission the Coast Guard ship. Briefing the media in Vasco, Antony said expansion of the Daboli airport will start soon.
Anyway, all the hitches are now over. Navy will give parking permits. Everything is settled. They can go ahead with the expansion program.
Defense Minister said Pakistan has not taken any step to dismantle terrorist camps on its soil. However, India is still working to improve relations with Pakistan.
We want to, from our side, we will explore all avenues to improve our relation with Pakistan. That is why the talks were there. But I don't expect miracles because still our concern is almost all the terrorist camps operating from across the border, they are still active. All of them are active. And to my knowledge, till now, Pakistan has not taken any serious steps to dismantle or destroy these terrorist camps. So unless they do something positively, real progress is difficult. But India will continue our efforts to improve the relations.
Antony was in Goa to commission the Indian Coast Guard ship Vishwast. This is the first of its class that has been designed and built by Goa Shipyard. The special features of the ship include an integrated bridge system, integrated machinery control system, and a high-power external firefighting system. The ship is designed to carry 1 helicopter and 5 high-speed boats for search and rescue. It is manned by 8 officers and 82 men. CM Digambar Kamath, Vice Admiral Anil Chopra, and others were also present at the ceremony. Kamath congratulated Navy and Coast Guard for cooperating with the state administration for the coastal security of the state.
I must thank on this occasion naval authorities and Coast Guard authorities for having always cooperated with the state government in seeing that the proper security is maintained on the coastline. I am also happy that Goa Shipyard Limited has recently started constructing some ships for Union Home Ministry, which is giving these ships to various states to take care of the coastal security.
A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar for Prudent Media.
Yog Guru Ramdev Baba is all set to enter politics. Baba launched his political party Bharat Swabhiman on Tuesday. However, his followers have mixed reactions. Some are welcoming it, but many feel that politics and Baba don't go well together.
म्हाका दिसता रामदेव बाबा जे कितें एडवायस दिता अबाउट योगा ती लोकांक खूब अशी युजफूल पडटा सो रामदेव बाबान म्हाका दिसता तातूनच जर लोकांक चड एडवायस दीत जाल्यार लोकांक चड आनी चड बरें पडटलें अशें म्हजें मत.
हय कित्याक तो लोकांक पयलीं पासून हॅबीट जाला तेका न्हू बरें म्हणजे कितें कितें सांगप म्हणजे बाबाक सदांच मिन्स ट्रूथ एंड ऑल एंड ही कॅन गिव अ गुड दिस थिंग न्हू.
सद्याचें राजकारण पळयत जाल्यार असले लोकांनी येवप गरजेचें अशें दिसता. राजकारणाचे 2 प्रकारचे मनीस अशें आमकां दिसता. हे म्हणल्यार एक तर साधू आनी दुसरो संधी साधू राजकारणान चड जाल्ले आसा. तर ह्या राजकारणाक समजा निवळ करतलो जाल्यार साधूंची गरज आसा आनी अशें मक्तेदारी ना न्ही की कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट मडका एजंट आनी वेगळ्या वेगळ्या धंद्यांनी आशिल्ले लोक हांगा पॉलिटिशियन म्हणून आसात आनी कशें देशाची आनी आमच्या राज्याची वाट लायता आमकां खबर आसात. तर साधू आसप एक गरजेचें आसा. अशें अनेक साधू जावचे आनी हे राजकारण जे मळकटलेले सद्या आमच्या राज्यान आनी राष्ट्रभरान आसात ते दूर करपाक मदत करची अशें म्हाजें वैयक्तीक मत आसा.
ना बरोबर न्हू तें कित्याक तो ते तितून आहा न्हू योगाचें हें तें करता शिकयता तितूनूच तेणी हें दवरूंक जाय लोकांक म्हणजे इम्प्रूव करूंक जाय. तो जर राजकारणाक गेलो जाल्यार लोक हे सायडीन हें जातले योगाचें म्हाका दिसता योगाच बंद जातलो दिसता.
करोडो लोक तेणें पळय एकठांय केल्या ते तशेंच चलोवपाक जाय आनी हेज्या हितून ताका जर लोक जर ताका फुडाकार दीत तर ताका लोक फुडाकार घेत जाल्यार तेणें अशें रावचें अशें दिसता म्हाका.
नाव ॲज इट इज डुईंग अ गुड जॉब. आता एकदा राजकारणान उतरलो कडे ही मे बी गुड पर्सन बट ते कोण ते रावता न्ही टिकेट घेवन इलेक्शनार रावता दे आर ऑल कॉमन पीपल न्ही दे कॅनॉट हॅव विथ सेम प्रिंसिपल्स.
सो ही लोक एक प्रकारची लोकांक फसवणूक जातली. लोकांचे बाकी जे आज अनेक ढोंगी बाबा तयार जाल्ले आसा तातूंतलो हो एक प्रकार काय अशें शक्यता नाकारता येना.
जशी आसा इमेज आसा ती सर्वत्र आमच्या इंडियन आनी भायर गांवांनी सुद्दां पावल्या. सो आतां तेंच्यांनी तीच इमेज आनीक ह्या योगासनासून आनीक प्रसिद्धी मेळोवपाची तेतूनच पॉलिटिक्सान येवन ती तेंची उलट कमी जावपाची शक्यता आसा.
योग शिबिरां घेता ज्ञान दिता ते राजकारणान कित्याक वचूंक सोदता असो एक दुविचार लोकांच्या मनांत जातलो. तेका लागून रामदेव बाबान राजकारणान वचपाचें अशें बरें तें आमकां पडना.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Time for a short break. Stay tuned.